front of me is Redmi Note 50, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use Keyboard Clipboard. Start by launching your keyboard and hitting Clipboard at the top. Then activate it thanks to this switcher at the top right corner, and go back thanks to this arrow at the top left one. Now to use Clipboard, copy or cut any text, and to paste it instantly, click on it at the top of your keyboard. To paste it later on, click on Clipboard and tap on your text here. Now to paste it after an hour, you need to pin it or it will disappear. To do that, hold it and wait for this pop-up. Then select Pin. You can unpin it the same way. To delete anything from Clipboard, you can either swipe it to the right, swipe it to the left, or hold it and click on Delete. To disable it completely, use the same switcher as before. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!